Wickedness is never happiness. Say.
Ha! Some women, I be some girls. I'm not just saying I'm normal human being born this pikin, my people. Ha! Person just born pikin, put am for inside toilet. Person just born pikin, put am for inside toilet. Ah. Welcome to Naija Daughter Tv. Oh wow, may I change this shirt? At least may I put am for another another color. May not just be the same. Oh, na two shirt I wear. I just dey come back for outside, okay? My beautiful people. I just bring this news. I don't get this news. I never talk about her. One of my beautiful sisters, she sent down for me. Say, Naija daughter, say this news. Chook your mouth for inside echo meme. May una pardon our noise. Why you will pull it? No, my people. I don't know what to talk. Oh, welcome to Naija Daughter TV. Yes, now real end time. We are in fact, we dey end time. Yes, I beg. If you born pikin, let them know Christ. You, when I see they talk to, know Christ. Me, myself, I will know Christ. Let everybody know Christ. We don't know when Jesus is coming. We don't know when God will blow trumpets, you know. Because what they happen nowadays, my people, they think they shortalize me. Yes. You know what they say, shortalize. You go shortalize, you go do like this. What? Are you for real? For real? Some things when you just see for social media and the thing go just shortalize, you know, whenever get all those news channel. If I see something, I'll just, you know, anything go break me down. But I need to they bring and come for my family, my beautiful family, my amazing family. Why I get for this Naija daughter? Una they see these people, pikin, person just born pikin. You carry pikin for 9 good months. 9 good months. Not be small pikin video I just finish just now. No matter the condition, 13 years old pikin. You they see say not be because of poverty. So human beings, they are just, in fact, they're inside their mind, they're black past back of force. You don't know that charcoal. You don't see this my shirt, it's not black. Oh. You don't see this my hair, not black. Some people mind, some women mind, if they see human being, if they cut out for them, make they go do one. 13 years old pikin, he hold the pikin, they romance and they follow and they play. He like her. 13 years old pikin, oh. So this person when you go dump this pikin, maybe na runs girl, or maybe na I don't really know. People they out there when they look for pikin, when they look for children. If you dey out there, you get belle and you dey plan to born pikin and dump it. People there when they need pikin. Just announce am for hospital. Now, my country, Nigeria, una need to wake up. Yes, no, una ask me again. My country, Nigeria, hospital, una need to wake up. If una see girl, pregnant woman, where maybe man not follow come. Nobody follow am come, she get belle. Me una dey ask am. You will fit take care of this pikin when you carry so. If she or he say no, then now look for good family when you go adopt the pikin. For them go buy small pikin, dump am for inside toilet, use cellophane, wrap pikin, because I'll film this one put. I'll bring this one also. This woman, it thief pikin, one will give the auntie. Maybe they see the auntie pain. If they see the auntie cry, go say no worry. And auntie no fit do am. Me go by myself, go thief pikin come for you. Now they gbaba. Now some girls, God just bless you. You just open your 2 legs, you born the pikin, you go carry and put for inside toilet. I go leave the video, may una still watch.
Throw a little child like this inside the toilet. Ah, this world. This is end time. End time has come. They won't tell you again that end time has come anymore.
They go carry the pikin for inside toilet, start to the bath the pikin. My people, the thing shortalize me. In fact, it enter my bone marrow. If a woman go fit carry pikin for womb, imagine this kind of girl now. He jam Yahoo boy or Yahoo plus or you know all those ritual people. They will tell am say that pikin when he dey in womb, say they will give am 1 million. Say make born am. If I imagine, you know say you wan go born the pikin go throw away am. When they offer am 1 million, he go just give the pikin out. Those kind of people now that they do am. And when other people, they are out there crying to God, Papa God, you know your children's heart. I know if you look our sin, you will not bless us. I know if you look our sin, you will not give us anything that we are asking. You don't use our sin to judge us because you love us. You create us with your own image. If not, some human beings don't deserve children. Some human beings don't deserve to call mom or father. Later now, this guy go open mouth. They say, I'm looking for the fruits of womb. I'm looking for the fruits of womb. The innocent man when you go meet later, they'll start to the waka. They'll say, ah, womb, they okay, nothing happened to womb. The man spam, he kakaraka, nothing. The spam, if he match the ball, in fact, he go fit pregnant the ball. But your own, you not fit pregnant you. What thing you do? You think say this thing when you do now, when you take bomb picking now, go dump am for toilet. I know that our God is a merciful God. You cry to our Creator, Father, I don't know what I'm doing. In fact, I don't know what I did do. Father, forgive me. Oh, Lord, forgive me. You do fasting, God will forgive you. Abi, that is why many people, they do evil. How could you just close your eye? You born pikin, your own pikin, your own blood. If you can do your own blood like this, when you can do something like this, your own siblings, children, it go be nothing for your eye. Because, my people, the thing shortalize me. Oh, I don't know whether YouTube will accept her, but now bad that they bath the pikin. If YouTube accepts her, I will bring her come out. If this girl for child, they look for the one, they answer. I know one woman, one old woman, may her so recipe, she don't die now. She said if you see person when born for her, she go carry. If you see pikin when they born for outside now, everybody abandon her, she go carry. Old woman, she was dreaming to jump something like that. Now just born pikin, now go dump her. No, don't shout, ring the bell. Ring the bell. Tell them say, me I get belle oh. Me I not fit take care. Who want pikin? And answer. Social media don't date now. Go to social media. Call somebody like if you get my contact. You tell person like me. I go announce somebody say in get pikin. You know fit take care of am. He want give you make you adopt am, or he want give you make you carry. For you go in fact suffer innocent pikin put am for inside her toilet. Just born small pikin put am for toilet. If your mama put you for toilet, you go exist. And the world they sweet you now. Things of the world they sweet you. Maybe now girls when sabi fix eyelashes. Now girl when sabi put human. I say girl when sabi use cream. Now girl when they use till they making money without money no day. Wait till now feel. Because if the pikin they sucky they show. Everyone they lick the pikin for, they go the runs when she want they do. Now I make you carry this pikin. I just talk my own. No, everybody are free to drop your own opinion. You know how can a woman, 13 years old pikin, if he hold the pikin, they romance her, they follow and they play, they touch joy. As the people they cry, many of us they cry, say, how can this man open his eye to vagga this girl? The small girl still there with the pikin. Talk of this person. This person when you not be small pikin, no. This person when you go drop this pikin, not be small pikin. May God have mercy on you. My people, now this one I got to just drop, please. If today now your first time coming across Naija Daughter TV, please subscribe to me, like this video, okay? Drop your own opinion. What do you think? What did this girl do? It good as a born pikin? He go to run for inside toilet, or she better call somebody. Say I know if you take care of her. Now wait for call somebody. Say I know if you take care of her. Me I prefer that one. Okay, now my own opinion be that. Don't forget to drop your opinion, and you can still follow me on Naija Daughter TV on Facebook. Yes, I just start.
Throw a little child like this inside the toilet. This world, this is end time. End time has come. They won't tell you again that end time has come anymore. This is just the end time. Wickedness is never happiness. Send down your spirit now. Send down your spirit now. Send down your spirit now, Lord Jesus Christ. Send down your spirit now. Nigeria, Africa, we are turning to a different thing entirely. What is happening? What is really happening? How can somebody throw a little child like this inside the toilet? Is it because he doesn't want the child they give? Or is it because he wants to use the do ritual? What is it? Africa. Oh, send that.
Over me